Let's learn fruit's name. What is the name of this fruit? This is mango. And this is a banana. What about this? This is an apple. Which fruit is this? An orange. And this? This is a pomegranate. Now this? A watermelon. What about this one? These are grapes. Can you name this? This is a pineapple. Which one is this? This is pear. Do you know this one? This is papaya. Now what is the name of this fruit? This is lychee. Last one. This is guava.